Hi there, are you searching for practice test prep for Praxis Elementary Education, Social Studies 5004, U.S. History, Causes and Consequences of Colonization, Independence, Regional Differences, Key Events? If so, I have a video that you're going to want to watch. My name is Tom and I'm a test prep expert here at Study.com and a certified teacher. I'm going to walk you through some of the types of problems you'll see on the test. Don't forget to pause the video and try these problems before the answer is revealed. Okay, you ready? Let's get started. Which of the following identifies the point in time when France directly allied with the Continental Army to battle Great Britain? Is it A, after the Battle of Saratoga, B, at the start of the war, C, after the Battle of Valley Forge, or D, before the Battle of Trenton? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So Valley Forge actually isn't a battle, it's a winter encampment. So I'm going to eliminate choice C. I'm also going to eliminate choice B. At the start of the war, France did not directly ally with the Continental Army until a certain event in the war, so not at the start of the war. I'm also going to eliminate before the Battle of Trenton because the Battle of Trenton actually took place after France joined the Continental Army and allied with them. So the correct answer here is A, after the Battle of Saratoga. Which of the following illustrated what the main catalyst was that triggered the American Revolution? Was it A, the Battle of Yorktown, B, the signing of the Treaty of Paris, C, the Boston Tea Party, or D, the signing of the Declaration of Independence? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities. So let's eliminate B, the signing of the Treaty of Paris. That officially ended the war. That didn't trigger the war, it ended the war. A, the Battle of Yorktown, I'm going to eliminate. That was one of the last major battles that was fought in the war. D, the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. That occurred during the American Revolution, not as a catalyst for the start of the American Revolution. And the correct answer here is C, the Boston Tea Party. It was a revolt against Britain for taxation. It is the main catalyst that triggered the American Revolution. Jamestown is known as the first English colonial settlement established in North America. How was the settlers' trip from the Old World to the New World financed? Was it A, the voyage did not require funding, travel was very inexpensive at this time and required only a ship and a decent supply of food? Is it B, the settlers were a group of wealthy individuals who used their personal funds to finance the trip to the New World? Is it C, the settlers relied on the goodwill of the locals in England to provide supplies and donate money for their voyage? Is it D, the Virginia Company provided the settlers with necessary materials such as ships? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. Traveling was very expensive, not inexpensive. So I'm going to eliminate choice A. I'm going to eliminate choice B. The settlers were not wealthy individuals. It was different types of people, but it wasn't wealthy people per se. So I'm going to eliminate choice B. They did not rely on the goodwill of locals, so it wasn't charity. And what it was the correct answer D. The Virginia Company provided the settlers with necessary materials such as ships. So these were investors that were expecting to profit off of the New World, whether it be with labor or export. So the correct answer is D. Which of the following European countries established the first permanent European settlement in the present-day United States? Is it A, France, B, Spain, C, England, or D, Portugal? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. So England's first settlement was Jamestown, and it was after, it was not the first permanent settlement. So I'm going to eliminate England. France was not one of the first permanent settlers of the United States, so I'm going to eliminate France. Portugal, choice D, is eliminated because they focused on South America in areas like Brazil. And the correct answer here is B, Spain, which established the modern-day St. Augustine, Florida, and that was established in 1565. Okay, how did you do? Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more on this specific topic. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Education Social Studies 5004 playlist. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.